Come, today I'll show you a tiny, cozy, but aesthetically pleasing Danish home where I stayed during my Copenhagen, Denmark visit. This house belongs to Tine and Mario. Tine is Danish and Mario is Italian. First, I'll take you upstairs where I and Jaya stayed for 2 days. This is an attic bedroom. And let me first show you. Every morning, Tine used to bake fresh bread for us. And as you enter, the first thing you see is this beautiful room with comfy couch, lots of fluffy cushions, a thoughtfully placed quilt and a lamp. This is a blower that keeps you warm in winters, a small breakfast nook, as you open the window, you get a glimpse of their beautiful garden. I'll show you that later. And on this cabinet, all kinds of brochures and leaflets, maps and everything else. And their guest book, where I also left a sweet note for them. Let me show you. Now take a look at this Scandinavian attic bedroom with sloped ceiling. More about this artwork I'll tell you later in this video. And this is my side of the bedroom. In the center is this window from where we get the view of neighborhood. And this is the side of Jaya. And right here in this corner is a small bookshelf with all interesting books. Here is a complete view of this room, and by the way, that lamp is from IKEA. And before I go downstairs, let me show you. This lock and key are 100 years old. That's what Tine told me. Now let's go downstairs where Tine is singing merrily in her kitchen while doing her chores. And this is their living and dining room. All the artwork in this home is done by Mario, Tine's husband. I haven't met any person as creative as Mario ever in my life. He makes 3D collage art out of paper. And look, that is the art I gifted them. Let me show you that clip.
Yes, yeah, it's Indian folk art.
Yeah.
This one is called Madhubani.
Yeah, you made this?
Yes, I painted it.
Lovely.
I painted it.
I just need to have
Glasses on.
glasses. Yeah. I love this. Yeah.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah, I see.
You have to make a frame for it.
Yeah, of
Yeah.
course. Of course. Yes.
I think I will put it over there. I think it
You
will
know,
go together a lot with my whole...
Yeah, this wall.
This is something special.
Yep.
Yeah, yeah. But I love the colors, but I love, you know, yeah, it's I mean, it's really nice. Which color? This is ink color.
No, these are actually acrylic colors.
Acrylic.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah.
Thank
it's,
you. I'm really glad that you liked it.
Oh yeah. I'm happy.
I would love to see when you display it on a wall.
Moving on to their home tour again. So that piece right in that corner is made by Mario, It's a model of nail, and using real nails, Mario made this temple. Let me show you this piece of art. This one is also made of paper, completely made of paper. Look at the details. And all these shoes are made out of paper. Can you believe that? And this is the Converse shoes box that is a replica made by Mario. He not only prints and designs the paper but also cuts it and makes replicas of shoes. So this is one such piece. Few more paper art masterpieces by Mario. And this lamp is made out of trash. Some more creative work by Mario. This is also made out of trash. Here is a glimpse of their living room, and let me tell you, Tine is also a creative soul. She loves to crochet, and this throw and cushion is made by her. Now let's step out and take a look at their beautiful garden. Almost everything in this garden is again made by Mario, like this chair, bench, and that tiny house which served the purpose of reading nook. Here is a glimpse of their beautiful, lovely kitchen where every day Mario would cook Italian delicacies. Here is Tine, let's talk to her.
Would you like to say something to my subscribers?
Oh, it has been a pleasure to have Disha and Jaya here, and I'm very happy about the wonderful painting you made for me.
Thank you
That's,
so
really
much.
nice.
And you both have been really amazing hosts. We would like to come again, and I'm going to recommend all my friends.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Leave me a comment. What did you like the best about their home?